everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you goat curry or typical Punjabi Bakre da meat. 5.5 pound goat meat. So this recipe I will be making 5.5 pound goat meat, and let's see other ingredients what we need. I always use olive oil in my cooking, but in this recipe we're going to use vegetable oil, 1 cup. 3 onion, you can use any color. I'm using red color, so it's finely chopped. I have a video posted for ginger, garlic, green chili paste and how we're going to make it smooth paste and how we can preserve it. Please watch that video. 4 tablespoons. Degi mirt, salt, garam masala, 1 tablespoon each, and coriander powder, 3 tablespoons. And this is also homemade biryani masala, 1 tablespoon. Homemade dahi, 2 cup. If you need a running gravy, you always can use water. 15 green cardamom, elaichi. When we eat goat meat, we love green cardamom. But kids over here, they are not fond of these cardamom. So I'm going to share some tips how you can improve your cooking. You take these green cardamom, use mortar and pestle. You put it inside, hammer it, grind it, and make a fine powder with mortar and pestle. If you don't have a mortar pestle, then you can use a blender. Today I'm going to share with you, going to make life easy for you. This is a coffee grinder. I'm going to put cardamom into the coffee grinder. We're going to grind it. So you use a coffee grinder and you can make a smooth, fine powder. So this is all done. And if we take a look now, the cardamom powder. Now we're going to put it into our goat curry and it's going to give us a nice aroma and flavor. But if you leave the big cardamom, then many people are not fond of eating that. But back home in India, everyone loves it. So please try this way. And the tip I shared with you, try coffee grinder. And then we're going to use kevda water. And let's start making our delicious goat curry. Get a big pot, a big vessel. I'm using big pressure cooker, and we're going to start the gas. Add vegetable oil. As the oil start to heat up, add onion. Mix it well. Keep it moving, and we're going to cook onion until it's nicely brown. Onions are nicely translucent. And if we look at, they are really nicely done. Now we'll add ginger, garlic, green chili paste. 4 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined with onion, we're going to cook for 2 minutes. Cooking ginger, garlic, green chili for 2 minutes. This is how the tadka looks. After mixing it well, add goat meat. Mix it well. So keep mixing and bring your tadka on top and bring your meat down. And we're going to cook for 10 minutes and keep it moving so it won't get burned at the bottom. It's exactly 10 minutes cooking with the tadka, and as you can see, the goat meat start to change the color. Now I will add all the spices, garam masala, salt, coriander powder and degi mirt. Mix it well. So keep mixing. Once it's nicely combined, all the spices with the meat, we're going to cook for 2 minutes. Another 2 minutes of cooking spices with the goat meat. Two cup homemade dahi. Mix it well. I turn my fan off. And now we're going to mix it well and we're going to keep cooking. Once the dahi is nicely combined, we're going to keep cooking for 5 minutes. Another 5 minutes of cooking. We really don't need to add any water. If you need a running gravy, you always can add water. This is all the water from the dahi. All this time, I'm cooking on high gas, which is high heat. And now we'll bring the heat to medium, on a medium gas. Cover with the lid. On medium gas, we're going to cook for 15 minutes. The whole reason we are cooking on a pressure cooker so that meat will get tender. It's exactly 15 minutes cooking with the pressure cooker. Now I'm going to turn off the heat. Once it's cooled down, then we'll open it. We waited for 10 minutes. And if you see, there's very little pressure. There's no more air inside. And we can open it. Now we can start gas. Now we're going to mix it. This is a perfect goat curry. We really don't need to add any water. And if we check the meat, so if we grab any piece and if we cut the meat, and you see it's nicely cut through. It's super tender. Let me show you one more. Look at this. These bones and the meat nicely cut through. This is perfect. It's perfectly cooked. Now I'll add biryani masala. I have a video posted on my channel. Please check it out. This one has many ingredients. This is cardamom powder, elaichi powder. The one I show you, do it in coffee grinder. And we're going to mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, now we'll add the kevra water. 1 teaspoon kevra water. Mix it well. And now I'll bring kasuri methi, which is fenugreek leaves. 1 tablespoon. Mix it well again. Goat meat, goat curry is fully done. As you've seen, it's so tender. And now we added kasuri methi. You can put the lid on, or I'm just going to cover with the plate. We're going to let it simmer for 5 minutes. The whole reason I'm doing it, so that it can soak up all the kasuri methi flavor. So I'll come back after 5 minutes and keep it gas on simmer, which is low heat. 5 minutes on the simmer with the covered pressure cooker. Goat curry is all done. I'm going to turn off the gas. I have my serving bowl ready and I'm going to dish out. Tasty, delicious goat curry. Let me share with you. Very tasty and delicious goat curry in a pressure cooker is all ready. As you've seen it, how it's easy to make. And it's a super delicious and super tasty. Please try it and you're going to like it. You can serve with the roti, chapati, fulka, naan, parantha, even with the bread or tortilla. You name it, but best of all with the rice flour. Please try it and you're going to like it. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.